kamu pilak penhero kan ni. Kamu kada odi ukhiru kamu tu. Silkai ba lai snaplin jang lejong. Kamu kebuduna ni di stang cakasong. Oh, Robert Rudan. Ui. Yang ini video la sponsor dah KR Enterprise Shillong. Kedukaan dapat lagi sofa bagi interior design ki kerpang kepada Ishrat Negrams Main Road Shillong. Hang ni kile lagi custom sofa, wedding sofa bagi ba ai kumju, baru sofa repairing na lor ki interior design bagi modern ceiling kat kum kejuk mentah. Baru kini lashnahi hang ni jela degi nongsna bala depen tibet bagi professional hak ni kekam. Kile free home delivery ru kumjo sabaro ko gi jela ban pinsuk ki phi. Ki sofa na ki enterprise kan pingla dor lut di kamera jong phi bakan ipo ipieng. Ki arwi ki warranty ba sisnem hadu san snem na benda ki shuki ba bunjai lashna kerpang nak ni ke jaka. Je ki design ki catalog ki enterprise ni ai design le jong bat ka KR enterprise kan se pinwan dor kat kum gujung kwa jong phi. Kilero ki interior design with ceiling the designers le jong but ki nong snab la pintibit ban pinipo ipieng ye ki yeng jong phi. AI Impact Summit. Polok mudah sing dan kani ka singilang YouTube kani tama ka badai lor jong ka artificial intelligence kawai ni ki rukom trikam gajuk ka mentah singi kani kadai ka light ki penlong hang ni po ki kani ka State Convention Center ni ru support ni P dan U po dan ngani bulawan syarum netep rung le balan me chile. Oh, kalau nak ni. Yo. Tong lai dan hang ni po porlok berkidan ni stall repair gidan hang ni jaka. Pewan ni ngai pi ko hedin ko we. Kini bro khai ko mujung sutu jonga ki de ki balle be use ki AI bat ki we na bata ki program ki repair. But kani kadi ka we kita kani kadi ka United Nations food program. What is this thing? Kini ngatrai di ke machine ke bayok kau ngatrai machine ban ai kau balik kharusan ngina sudah balik promotion lord kharusan kani di kowe ni kita ngatrai man dai kan ai kharusan tu ngatrai kila ban ai tang thom nang ni dan kam briu syu kemudian kani kalau adi kata ke ba le kharusan dan kam nong sam kharusan syu ing la syu batai start ngang adi ni ontip could be nah option sekali dua semua dah habis sadang dan beri bahan gimno ni dah ya KP you people stall ke ni jom ke
pamphlet sekali film sendun second
hai oh okay dari expang products tambah ka just for awareness baik I bahannya dia napo ka cyber crime branch jong ka police department juga home department but iba pet ya bon bha kini ki frauds but kiwi ki ba jujia mentah ni hapo jela jongi la kalong ki Facebook kene ki Instagram ni kini social media platforms iba kentubru ya kini ki bahasa top pisa ki bahasa ki catfish but kiwi ki badan dia ki kesi untuk bahan
cyber crime against women and children ru
hai
kita kijat ni kan basically mentas ni don ni tentang menai awareness ki pat bah barokan bagian tip ba kadon kini ka cyber crime sa jar de kumno bapin lat na ki kumno bapin pikir la de ma ban lat kini ki baro ta
okay kini ki pamphlets PI distribute ki brio kan okay deepfakes yourself from deepfakes null frauds eye movements kini di deepfake ngatrai ki pelok ni ki ba Dari film patip bro, ni deepfake di gitu ki video ki ba fake jong ki brio ki ba la ban penshim ya kadur jong nur ya lesum kadur ke jonga menong no pinon kam bakla ki thok pisa da kadur ke jonga ring ngam dei manga di kum kita ki khot ki deepfakes ba phila ban itho ni ki eye movements ki facial expression syncing but ki way ini cyber fraud mo
nomor kelabun pelat kini ki you deh investment scam ya ni la you display ni ba ibru kim dei
investment yes kini ngatrai nginhap man khot yen iba kan chusin bin yo ban wan ban ya keren ba mo ba kan ngese khot ban ya keren ba
iso ngari dan kewi kepat
yes sih
nomor ba movie tu apa deh film ni rap ini ben tak kan lo
yes of course hai kedai Of course ngin hab ni tri lang ngin ka bah kami jong ki pa ba bro ka kalau ka. Kemud ka main hi jong pi ya kani ba menta kemud ka debit tang ban su sensitize ki brio. It's all about sensitization ki way. Okay. Na try next ngin yele ban wan ra susu ini ki video na kaliang ka home department ngin yele lang ngin ya wat kono ka rukom le si bikin dang la bana susu ini ki information khamdam ka jing tip awareness ka ba kongsan ba kumno phila ban pendan kam ki social media hanu ka por ba phin hab ban fikir ki social media hanu ka por par bhi phila ban shim advantage le si ya social media ka longom ta nomor ba om kai borok ba mi social media ka dik ba download Obama pa. Ngelai keren teng. Let's say ingin saya keren pa kam sani mo. Iki si Banwan.
Dan complain kung gini complain.
Oh yes. Hoy.
1930 kato kadega.
Yes.
Number jongi.
Uni dai 1930 nei. Te kamut la dai badan kinu ru ki judge. Subo mata to iwi jing kelimo. Subo ngala keliteng kini phi. Subo la dai badan menu ba I negative comments subo. Dan ki ba thread di comment section dan ki bawan ki DMs ki jongi ki ba dan ki platforms ti hatu kabumut kadi tang dag bagi call ko ni le si kilap address ki issue kumta
Tabalong pinapayad ka complain ni.
ada ka complain
Against that.
Yang page lang yung katong gayo.
Kidon ki section si katulod ka BNS minta pamit kumay. Kalau tak
to ka ndi kamut uni par kalong mal ki ko ban tip anything ki ko ban file complaint duni kamut kim pala ni kila na new 19 1930 so shkan mau perlok 1930 rather than kinu ki problems
cybercrime.gov.
Kanine?
cybercrime.gov.in.
Terima kasih mo perlok cybercrime.gov.in but 1930 dari pidan ni kinu ki problem sa kabay day but ka social media leni bagi internet dari pisha ki fraud sha scam but ki way kemawan phone ni number kindan hani banirap na jong. Thank you. Bismillah bakal. This what station way pa. Thank you sir. Ma. Yes. Thank you so much. Ma, all the best. Huh?
Calling you.
Oh, thank you. Kani kada jongka, yes. Yeah? Oh yeah, sure, please. Oh yeah, of course. So, bandet to. Never. Please.
I think there's a light here, right?
Oh yeah. Better from here we can see
We can get
the stall also.
Let's be in the middle.
Yeah, I'll be. It's okay.
Yang sini,
Yung filtering.
Beri nang rin susu. And this one can you read about JS? Hi. What do you have here?
Which we give the service for documentation and mapping.
Okay.
Have already displayed. This one
Alright.
is where we track the lion.
Okay. So which means when you say so it's more like a service kind of a
Service.
Okay.
We have a service in this one, Meghalaya State GIS and UAV, which is in Secretariat.
Okay. So which means if there's anyone, any private entity that needs your service, also you provide that.
We do provide that one. So for
Okay.
also for that private.
Oh, like that. I see. And then all these machineries belongs to GIS or
GIS.
GIS
UAV and
only.
GIS.
Okay. So it's all about mapping, all about
Yeah, documentation.
documentation and everything. I see. And how what is the service like? How do we avail the service?
You can approach through our website.
Okay.
Meghalaya State GIS and UAV.
All right.
Like you can address through email. So,
Okay.
You can contact our website.
Okay.
There only.
Okay, and then where we can book the service.
Yeah.
I see. So this is only for, let's say, what do you call, for mapping and all that. So
Yeah, mapping.
it's not really for events and all that, no?
Events so far, no.
No. Okay. I mean,
Some of the applications are there, which we
all right.
yes.
Okay.
These
All
are
right.
all the applications
So,
which we-
so you have your own drone pilots and all that
Yeah.
who will be doing. Okay. And prices and packages for different services will be different, okay?
Because we have different category, for small
Uh-huh.
category different, for larger category is different.
Okay,
This one
okay.
Is, this category is in micro.
Okay.
We will give only for the documentation.
Alright.
And this one is falling on the micro. This one also for mapping and documentation.
I see.
This
And-
one is for mapping.
Oh, this one is for mapping.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one which we give for the training license for
Alright,
the RPGO.
alright. Okay.
And then that one is for the R&D, for mostly for R&D and for the training purpose.
Okay.
We do provide for the apprenticeship also for that.
Alright.
for 3 months.
And
Once in a-
oh,
once in a
sorry,
year.
once in a year. Okay. So and that anyone can apply.
Yeah, anyone you can visit our
Okay.
website and video. also
Okay.
like that.
And how much is this, does the service range in price in the packages
Yeah,
you're
for,
starting?
I think for government we do give the free services for that. For private they might
Okay.
charge. Depends.
Okay. You have the rate card, the tariff card
The
with you?
rate card
Not
you
yet,
can talk with our AGM.
All right. Sure. Okay. Nice. All right. Okay. Thank you. So just one question though. So now if there's someone
Yeah.
who wants, let's say they have a big plot of land, if they want to map it and do all the necessary things for their own land, you provide that also,
Yeah,
right?
we do provide that.
Okay. Understood. Okay. Thank you.
One of our
Your cards. Yes. Thank you so much. Ni plane. Come on, Shang, kapalang man Shang na, kapalang. You have a card with you? Hindi ka jual na muna. Okay. Pidan, hai, kamu. Pidan ni call card. Visiting card. This one. Dah. Oh, contact details kidan ni. You have all your contact details in here? Okay, this one, no? Dah. Thank you. Dapat kita ni. Oh yes, Sean me. Ale, ano? Sindom tu. Dah kalong ya.
Naboy bos.
Naboy.
Rumah senong tengam.
Oh, kuno.
Tengam ya baik.
Sampai lah dia room lah, hilang. Ali. Tapi ni yang ni plane kena man plane. Ini berbatai. Di. Boleh. Uni dua drone. No ini.
Dia fixed wing mah.
Ha.
Dia ni lah hiban pandai kiwi sensor kan
Ha.
buka jenglam kam.
Aha.
Ini dia tambah maki isu nahi apa office.
Ha.
Na banta por ni dan apprenticeship yang tu ni sina kan. Kat kumba ni lah dapat ni try bit panher kan. Kami obo saya video je kini.
Kamu pila penheru kan ni?
Kila kiri balong ni. Lah pun sen hin apa organisation kila.
Di. Kamu kada odi ukhiru tu.
Okay.
Ni.
Kalau exactly kung kata ya, sama ni kata bisna hibat. Kata
Oh,
design.
kumta.
Kata
Tapi pernah jumpa you bisna kan ni?
Kita ni ada nak kajam-kajam apa you bagi mungkin yang kita civil engineering pada electronics.
Oh, okay. If you want as apprenticeship na day biki staff na
Mentang
job.
ila ada staff, mencuat lagi room di apprenticeship.
Kumta. Kini silkhay pa lah isnaplin jang lejong lu. Kamu kebedunan ni di setang cakasyong. Ha? Lahir lu tu rohan. Di people tu du bateri.
Bateri. Ini ibu tu apa mentang mari kemudian gimana tumpak style.
Oh. Udi du pong na?
Pong back full.
Piang mah.
Nama penskam pong pat selit atas selutip ini tip akan salong.
Pibla penhian kerja ke height kan nu bala jerong hidup bentar.
Kena testing kalau bit manual bit full. Oh, but testing kan video sendiri.
Hai. Yang kata ke pibla penhian hidup kan nu bala jerong. Anu full dia.
Lah ada man record nama dia.
Oh, okay. Kampat long. Kira bala dadan you. Jadi syupet mi pi kan nu malah try bala hair.
Armala, Armala,
Sispa mitari.
less than 100.
An ka you ke flight ka you ke jeng-jengai?
Jingjingai kamu kini kamu
Nim dah link jangan kan. Ka connection kam dah client kan tik.
bagi hablom visual line of sight bit. Kaman kini plane kan. Makam dan kamera saya kalau extra sekali.
Kau pilih di motor saya bagaimana ni?
Yes.
Trim. Ashna plin himo yo dep. Ni. Kanu kesimpur pisna ni.
Ini RTO.
Artio. Kamu kani kadang ni tangka more of a pilot project in manong na. This project. شركي با تريم يتريم بيكون شنو؟ بس kamu pimu bernews hai gini ya pan bernews semula kami kita ikan nama pin
Tak ada nyipat.
Display dan kita simulation part kalau simulate ini kan.
Iya kan ni. Oh, dah. Oh kata ke try kamu pimu long lab oh simulation kan ni. Interesting. Dah. Cuk, dah all the best. Mas, kena. Najan AI, Neuralink AI. What is this? Oh, Robert Rudan. Hui. This is alive. Nice. Turbid. Kamu pila ban experience link bagi VR. Kamu no? Shopping na?
Oh, MD yang ini dekat team.
Oh, kamu na? Bila VR you na experience? Nice. Okay. Oh, kamu na? Kamu long pimut benong ba? Cuba dari kibreu ki turis. Ki bam teriak ban lek ki melan bai. Yang nanti na jelong step sekali. Lalong tang.
Alam bodoh pada yang tu.
Lalong badan hang tu. Oh, nice. Kamu use pinai experience pada kiling ba dikini dai.
Mesti ingin play center apa umyam tu apa orkeleng tu. Bagi play center tu tengok buku ni.
Yang mati kini par kini berpilih.
Ini tu difference ni.
Oh,
Kini
betul.
kini device you scan, di scan tengok separate pada. Magni original kan ni Bagi surgery isu shnai dah ketida dah kali bagi claim tu shnai dah shnai ni scan tengok separate bagi.
Gini ru.
Yang kali tengok isu shnai baik untuk dari separate dari dia rugi. Ni prince simprint baik bro tu. Dia harus pindah simprint.
Articulated.
And how much would this cost? Kanu kasih.
Oh, I think this one, if you are getting fitted, then I guess
20?
300 to 400 bucks.
300 to 400.
Oh, 300 to 400. Okay.
Yeah, this is this one was actually a sculpture, hand sculpted.
Okay.
So my boss, he's a sculptor himself, and he sculpted this. So we use a 3D scanner. I'm sorry we don't have it right now.
Okay.
But we scanned it, and then we 3D.
Interesting.
Just I noticed you generate AI video.
Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Biang. Uni apa? Uni robot kan?
Sorry. Layer lines.
Sha, kini ki materials basna.
Hai.
Kini ki scrap dah.
Oh.
Berat kai pada ki new job mobil AI.
Oh, entah.
Di ban berat kai pada ki.
Biang lah. Uni. Goodrich.
This is the Morty.
Okay. Mortin wala no?
Di
Nice.
scrap materials sudah.
Pi perlu terkadang menenkam ban berat. Lada dan gigi pi dan hayeng pila ban penenkam kum ni ini kita pila dia gini ya.
Ni sna tak lagi. Kabut gigi.
Di jok mobil ti bro. Nice. Teriem. Di sana ni ru. Di pidan maka prime ni mentah.
Nampak ni ngapai dah.
Pibu office pibu you hey cara.
Sishangi dia partner industrial partner ni ho. Di dalam workspace apa DIC tu.
Oh, di service you berpila provide mata pila.
Ni Sisha ni dan di startup
Hai.
provide isna creative space for makers.
Hai.
Ideas in VR, laser cutting tu lihat tamai kamera product
Okay. Nice.
Isil I workshop lu ki kena.
Biang bah. Teknologi haduk kan ni ke jingla teknologi jadi bring jungi mo.
Ipun merak ne ka VR orang ban kai ki orang ngidan ka public speaking i kai ban long confident kum public speaking VR.
Ini kerja hologram na?
Oh hologram.
Pengen advertisement imat ni.
So many times I don't know.
Biang. Nice. Pipidan contact rupi Kolkat ni. I see. Sempat dalam dia bro tu kan tanya recording. Keteng no.
Nah, yang harus kau jangan ini di sini.
Okay. PPI kerteng ke ikan ni?
Ada completely to
Tobit. Yung jangan lebih dan kam promotions, dan kam KK, dan kam when it comes to marketing, but QA. Of any sort that you use, is mau.
betul lah. Itu ialah kan. Yang harus kau
Lam. Bisa siapa?
Asa sumpah.
Oh, okay. Dah, all the best. Ma,
Thank you.
astrat EP ko ni. Ha, sino? Ya, Firu. Ori, kani itu. Oh, that. We you. Oh, you can do like that.
Okay, so this can be used right.
Oh, lam.
Pick up 5 here.
Okay. Kanir dengan 3D kanir tu. Ngani keti cyborg.
So we
Nice.
take 3D print orders as well.
Okay.
Customize naman ako.
Okay.
3D modeling, 3D printing, laser
Can I print or can you print for me some bike parts? Let's say. Uh-huh.
I mean, if they are cosmetic parts, then it will work. But non-cosmetic part, I don't think so.
Yeah, cosmetic parts, yeah. It is possible.
Because cosmetic part is possible, but non-cosmetic part, no.
Okay. But anyway.
Maybe some aero parts, maybe.
If you want to get those, it is possible.
Okay.
Yeah, aero parts can be possible, like bearings and all. Those can be possible.
All right. Okay, it's giving me ideas, giving me ideas.
It's limitless. You can do anything.
Still all the best, man.
Don't tell the police.
Bruno helped advise me. Welcome, Max. Di bun magi kiweru kidan ni exhibition hang ni, hang thiru kidan. Tama kidan lalaki jong pat ki ba le. To. Kini ki stall hang ni hi ki debate ki ba based on AI. Ki ba base ha kita ki technology ba repair ki ba ki briu jong ina kaleng ki wan nang ni nagjala jong ba sa baru ki wan ban setup tibangan penilod bro fight tingan numla marka bun pala ki jing batay players ngo. Taman re kani kapani ya ka jing long ready jong ka jala jongi bikin rung sya kata ka benta jong ka teknologi ni ready o may bikila rung ka lesik manong no baka jala jongi kita ki kena samla ki jongi be kita ki entrepreneurs nong sengkam la jong kilala ben integrate bahai ke teknologi ya ke AI bat ka kam ke jong ki te bat kani lesi kan wan ra ya rukom perkhat perdan bat ya rukom le business ke ba compare but ki solution, ki business solution, ki problem solving solution, hagir kom repair, hagir ni kinat senam ki banwan. Te bat kan yarap shibun la day ba lese la de kiyo jing yarap la ni recognition bat kini ki jing nong yu kini ki jing itho ha jing itho ba jing yarap ka support na kaliang ka sarkar bat na kaliang jong ki badai pet kenam kinang la ban push kung gini sa ki tobit na try ki bikile iteru ka pair ba ki runo hel de way te marsnong dan ten may dang dan brio pad ban ya keren te te ki bakile ya kani ka health service ka bakile ki ba ki integrate le ki penan kam lam ka technology ban pensuk ipi pad ba te mam te hang ni ka de hadu kanu hapet you lawan ka de hadu kanu tarik kene na ka di tam tas ni na dan ni anyway ta ngatry yo ka di tang mentas ni di taman rei la PI ni ke video ko mentam stem dengan push no kat ba dep kila da phila ban UI ti phila ban wan nang ni kani kan nang dan hadu sibit kumba sunsteng riu bji ba phila ban wan ban page ban jungo ban UI shibun ki teknologi begini ki break dan kam ni tu yo di kuno filong klanya dah kuno video kuno jo bisa sino mulai kali no piwan na benta
We were invited ban Antanya ketika
oh kumta tos tenat biang kai hey nang ni ta Tip top. Yes, Sifir. All the best. Sa kanun dang kadang yat ka kus na mo. Ado na no. Next year, to all the best. Isundur ba? Tatang photography ba ne? Filmmaking ru. Oh, nice. Mo di Bael ni dan nang day. Bael.
No, wala siya makakadya.
Oh, kumta. Oh, okay. Ta biang ta. All the best kata.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Yang ini no, labiang tiga babun bagi ke itu si Shuan PI yang ni. Yang si kena yang pi ko pag video. Palo. Shallow.